Alright, so I'm going to start out with this NYX Studio Perfect Photo Loving Primer. And just putting this all over my face. Holy crap, that just came out like, it looks like something really nasty. I'm not going to say what it is. That was a lot that came out. It's like really liquidy. Oh, it's like oil. I'm putting oil on my face. Oh my god. So I'm just going to rub the back side of my beauty sponge over it. So maybe it can pick up some of the product because it's really oily on my face. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with the Luscious Cosmetics Angel Eyes Eyeshadow Primer Base. And I'm just going to put this all over my eyelids. Oh my god, ew. Why did it do that? I'm just going to put this all over my eyelids. It does look really good once it's blended out. And so I'm just going to take the sponge that I was using, kind of blend it out a little bit. It's like super pigmented. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking the NYC Smooth Skin Loose Face Powder and just setting it with a little eyeshadow brush before we move on to the face so this doesn't crease. Alright, so now I'm going to be going in with the BH Cosmetics Liquid Foundation, the Naturally Flawless Foundation. And I'm just going to start out with a pump on the side of my face, just putting it in some spots right there because I forgot my brush to blend it out and I'm not walking across the room. So I'm just gonna blend this out. And I'm not sure how I feel about this. Actually, crap, I forgot. So I'm gonna be putting the Temptu by Boxycharm Liquid Glow in this. I've had this for like forever now and I like to blend it in with the foundation. I forget, and oh my god, my phone does not stop going off. So I like to blend this into the foundation because I'm not really sure how I like the foundation yet. I'm still trying to figure out if I like it or not because sometimes it looks really, really good and then sometimes it doesn't. So I feel like when I put more on, it looks better because I'm more of a full coverage kind of girl. And I love blending in the liquid glow with it because it looks a lot better to me. So I'm just trying to blend it all out. And I'm really not sure why I'm still using the sponge because I'm not really liking it. Like, I like the shape of it, but it has a weird texture on this sponge. And all my other sponges are starting to... My dog is in here. If you hear her making loud noises, I'm sorry. But my other sponges are all like breaking and I need to get some new ones. So I keep using this one for like video sake so it doesn't look too ratchet, but I'm not really sure how I feel about it. Because it has like a weird texture to it and I feel like it doesn't blend out my foundation good. If that makes any sense. Alright, so now I'm going to be going in with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I'm just going to try to use whatever I have left in here and like swirl the wand around because I am running out. But ColourPop is coming out really soon and just like, is it a couple days or a couple weeks? I can't remember. But they're coming out with a no filter foundation and I'm so freaking excited. So I'm definitely have to buy a new one of these because obviously mine is very empty. Okay, I feel like I haven't used this concealer in forever because I'm running out of it obviously, but I feel like I really love it. Oh my gosh, it looks so good on the skin and I'm really loving this foundation actually. Like, even though the sponge gave it like a weird texture, I know like the difference of what the foundation wouldn't look like if I didn't have the sponge. Oh my gosh, my dog is so loud. I'm sorry guys. But I am really liking it all together. It's looking really, really good right now. Alright, so now I'm going to go back into that setting powder and I'm just going to pick that up and set under my eyes and on my forehead. And I'm just going back in with the sponge and patting through it. What is that on my head? Oh my god. Alright, I'm now going to go in with the Makeup Revolution bronzer. This is in the color Ultra Bronze. And I'm going to go in with the Morphe E41 large powder brush thingy. And I'm going to go into this bronzer and really start bronzing up my face. I do want to look pretty bronzed today, so start bronzing up my face. and doing makeup with earrings on is really annoying, and I'm taking these out after I film this because I'm going to be going to work soon. But I just can't wear earrings. I suck. Like, my skin does not allow me to wear earrings. They always start burning and they just get so annoying. So I don't know how you guys wear earrings. All right, now I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution blush in the color Beloved. And I'm going to be taking the Real Techniques blush brush, patting into that and just putting it on my cheeks. And I love this blush. And I love this bronzer so much. They're one of my favorites. They just look so good on the skin. Alright, so now I'm going to be going in with the NYX Matte Setting Spray. And hopefully it will revive the weird texture on my face from the Beauty Sponge. So we're just going to go ahead and spray this. Alright, now I'm going to be going in with the Jeffree Stars MannyMUA Collaboration Highlighter. Looks like this. This is in the color Uranus. This highlighter is so beautiful. So we're just going to go ahead and swipe through it. And you guys are about to see a bitch glow because look at this. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It just melts into the skin. It literally looks so good. Thank you to my friend Natasha for getting me this because I literally would have never bought it myself. And I am so excited to have this. I love Manny, I love Jeffree, and I'm so excited because this is so beautiful. I use it all the time because it's just, look at that. Look at that beautiful glow. And I'm going to take some down the nose as well. Alright, so I just went off camera and did my brows with the Browgal Convertible Brow. Alright, so now we're going to move on to eyes, and I'm going to be taking the Morphe Dare to Create palette. This palette is freaking huge. Holy crap, it's so huge. But I'm going to be taking this palette. I love this palette and I haven't used it in a while. So I'm going to be going in with the Morphe M504 brush. And I'm just going to be dipping into, let's go into this shade because I never use it. So we're going to be using this middle shade right here. And hopefully it's not too dark. Tapping it off and blending it into our crease. Actually, it didn't show up at all, so I'm not going to tap it off. Blending that out. That looks pretty good. Actually, that's a really pretty color. Like a transition color, it's really pretty. And I really don't know what I'm doing. Since I'm heading to work, I don't want to be too crazy, but when I do shadow, I always am too crazy. So I'm probably just going to do a crazy look because why not? Because I really don't care. Now I'm going to be going in with the Morphe M441 brush, and I'm going to be going into this berry color right here. It's so hard to like hold up the palette and show you guys what I'm doing. I'm going to blend this on the outer part and then start blending it into my crease. Alright, I'm going to be going in with the first brush and just kind of trying to dilute how bright that is. And I'm just going to take this shade right here in the palette and just try to dilute it just a little bit more. Ooh, I blended that color way too high up, so we're looking a little crazy right now, especially for someone who has to go to work. So I'm gonna go in with the Morphe M513 brush, and we're just gonna go into this color right here next to the berry color, which is kind of like a reddy purpley brown color, like a maroony color. So I'm just gonna use this just kind of deepen up the crease and outer part of my eye a little bit. Alright, so I was going to use that really bright pink shade right there, but I realized I'm starting to look a little crazy and I am heading to work, so I don't want to be too over dramatic. I mean, I do, but I don't. Alright, so now I'm just taking this flat Bodyography flat shader brush and just going into the lightest like shimmer shade that I can find into the palette. Picking that up, and of course I'm going to be spraying my brush. So I'm just spraying my brush with the setting spray and just laying this on the lid. I swear, like originally I was going to be doing a bronzy, like a red tone look, and then I was like, okay, no, I want to do like pinks and purples. And honestly, I can't make up my mind when I'm doing my makeup. I always start out doing something completely different than planned. But the shimmer shade is looking so good. Oh my gosh, that looks so good, that shimmer shade. Wow. I swear, Morphe just has some of the best eyeshadows. Like, I'm never disappointed in Morphe's eyeshadows. I love them. They're honestly what I use the most because they're so affordable. You come with so much, like so many colors in a palette, and they always work so good. Like, look how pigmented that is. And I bet it's even more pigmented if I used my finger with it. Now I'm just taking the highlighter that we were using and putting it on my pencil brush and spraying my brush. And I'm just gonna be putting that on the inner corner a little bit, just to give a little bit of brightness there. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the brow bone as well. Holy crap, I just put way too much. And now I'm just gonna go into that brush we were using just to kind of dust off where some of the fallout of the highlighter got. All right, now I'm gonna be going into this Morphe E36 brush and taking this very light blue color right here. It's a beautiful shimmery shade. And I'm just gonna rub this under my lower lash line. All right, now I'm gonna go in with this pretty Vulgar eyeliner, the ink in the color The Blacklist. And I'm gonna be taking this Bodyography angled liner brush and just dipping into it. And we're gonna start drawing on some eyeliner, some winged liner. Hopefully I'll stay in frame. All right, that is a bomb wing. So I'm just gonna take this small little eyeliner brush and I'm dipping into the black color in the palette, and I'm just gonna set over this because I have really hooded eyes and I don't want it transferring throughout the day up in the crease area since we do have eyeshadow on and it's not easy to wipe off with my finger like I normally do when I do winged liner. And this eyeliner does not like set itself. All right, so the eyeliner both look really good, but they're both extremely uneven. This one's more angled, this one's more straight out. So whatever. So I'm just gonna go in with the Milk Makeup Kush mascara and just put this on my top and bottom lashes. All right, now I'm gonna go in with this NYX Retractable Lip Liner in the color Pinky Beige, Pinky Rose. So I'm just gonna try to line my lips with this and see how it looks. Don't think I've ever used this actually. And now I'm gonna go in with my Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in the color Sand and just put this on top for a very light look. Okay, that is the completed look. I actually really like how it turned out. We were getting some problems, you know, going on with the texture on the face from the sponge and then all the fallout and then of course the uneven eyeliner, but whatever. So I actually really like how it looks. I'm really liking the foundation. I love that highlight. I love the pink and the bronzy and the blue color together. And I actually wasn't sure how I was gonna like this lip color with this eye because it's so bold and it's so like neutral. But I actually really like that together. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.